Welcome back friends to another exciting ICT Nugget. In this video we will talk about a tool which you can use to compress your large videos without losing quality of your videos. This can be particularly helpful if you have a large file which you want to send to someone, or you may want to upload to the internet and your internet speed is not that good. In that case, this tool can greatly help you. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open your browser and in the Google type Handbrake and press enter. After that, click on this first link. So over here you can see the software. The name of the software is Handbrake. This is an open source video transcoder. It can convert your videos from nearly any format, and it is free and open source. It is for multi-platforms, for Windows, Mac and Linux. So if you are a Windows user, click on this button to download the software. If you are not a Windows user, click on the other platforms link to select the appropriate link for your platform and then download from here. I am a Windows user. I will click on this link to download the software. So it is a small software, about 13 MB. Once it is downloaded, just double click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction to install this software. I have already installed the software. When you will install the software, on your home screen you will see this icon, Handbrake. Double click on this icon to open the software, and over here you can just drag and drop your video file, or you can select from here. You can select the folder, you can select the file. Let's close this panel and go to that folder where you have the file which you want to compress. I have a file over here. Let's look at this file. Right click on this and take properties. So currently the size of the file is 88 MB. Let's see the size of the compressed file. After we will compress it, we will see that how much we can compress. So just drag and drop this file into the Handbrake software. After dragging and dropping, we can see that our video is now open in the Handbrake. This is our video, and from here there are two options to compress the video. On the right side we can see number of presets. We can apply any preset to our video, and we can just simply click on this start encode to start compressing. This is the easy way to compress the file into different presets. If you know that which preset is appropriate for your video, you can select from here or from these options, and then you can apply and can compress your video. The second option is to going through these options. So let me zoom into these options. What are these? Let's look at these options. What are these? First is the summary. Over here we can see the format. It is currently MP4. If I click here, there are other two options, but let's keep it to MP4, and we will check this option to optimize it for web, and that's it. We don't need to make any further changes over here. Then go to dimensions. Over here we can change dimensions of our video. Currently the width is this and height is this. We can change it. We can decrease the width and height to make the size lower than the current size. So but currently we are not making any changes over here. Next is filters. We don't need to make any changes over here as well. And then go to the video section. Over here we have to see a couple of things. On the left side we don't need to change anything. This is actually a video codec. This is the best codec applied already. This will just keep it same as it is. And then this is the frame rate. If you know the frame rate of your video, you can just click here. The frame rate of my video is 30, so I will keep it like that, and I can just click on the constant frame rate. So I know the frame rate is 30, so I don't need to go for this option, the peak frame rate. But if you are not sure that what is the frame rate, so you can keep this option selected. On the right side, if you see, there is a section called quality. Over here there is a value. Currently it is 22, but if I bring my mouse over here on this pointer towards the end, we can see that it is written that suggested values are 18 to 20 for standard definition sources, and 20 to 23 for high definition sources. So currently the value is 22. If we want to reduce the size, I would prefer going towards 20. If I click and move towards right, you will see that value is changing. Now I am at 20, so it is 20, which is fine. So the next tab is audio. We don't need to change anything over here. Then subtitles, we don't need to change anything here. Then the chapters, we don't need to change anything here. And that's it. We have done pretty much. The last thing that we need to assign the file name. It is currently the original name with this my -1, but we will have a different name. Maybe we can have compressed video. Alright, and last thing what you can do is you can save this preset for your future use. If you click here, add, you can say my preset, click add, so it will be added over here on the custom my preset. So in future, whenever you will open any video over here, you can apply this preset, and all the settings which you have configured right now will be applied to your future videos. So that's it. Just click on the add encode button over here. It will start compressing your video. There you go. It has started compressing your video, and it will take some time. It will certainly depend on size of your original video. It is currently 88 MB, but still it will take time. But you can imagine that if you have a video more than this size, I mean if towards 1 GB or more than that even, so you have to give some time to this software to process your video. I will pause here and I will come back when the processing will be completed. Alright, now the processing is completed. Now we can see that queue finished, and we can go to the folder, can see the file of the compressed file. So here is our compressed file. If I take the properties of this file, and now the size of this file is 17.4. So you can see that from 88 MB to 17.4. So it has reduced a lot. It brought down to 17.4. Now let's look at the quality, if it is any compromise on the quality. There is no problem in the quality. Same quality, the original quality. We can see the original video as well. It has the same quality. Look. So great. Without losing quality of your videos, you can compress your videos to greater extent. I mean, from this size to this size, it's a major difference. I hope you will find this video helpful. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.